How's it everyone? Welcome to Bait Tactics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a super awesome silkworm liquid food. The nice thing about silkworms is they are super nutritious. Carp just love it, and the liquid is PVA friendly. This is a liquid food, not a hydro. If you want to make a hydro, go to check the liver hydro video, and just instead of liver, just put your silkworms. And if you feel I've added some value, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a like and ask anything in the comment section that you want. So sit back and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Let's go, buddy.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?